2024 trucks, Silverado and Sierra 1500s with this screen have a recall that just came out. Now, this recall came out August 8th, and it included the SUVs only, but as of the 14th of August, it included the Sierra 1500 and the Silverado 1500. Now, I went ahead and took mine in, got it taken care of. Super quick and easy if you make an appointment, and if you can't get into your dealership, I've got a little suggestion right here that I did. Let me show you. So this is in the settings. You can go to updates, and you can do preferences, and you can shut off your updates. And the reason for that is because that's what the recall is about. Certain model years and vehicle makes noted in the table above may have a condition where the battery is at risk for a drain following an over-the-air update. It's all shown right there. The correction is dealers are to reprogram the serial data gateway module and the radio, which is what mine was, and got it all taken care of. Took 3 different programming events, but it went super smooth. But like I said, to prevent this issue from happening in yours, or by issue, I mean for the battery to not run down, I did this on my truck. That way we're not doing any updates, because it's not going to run down the battery if it's not going in there to check for the updates. So just an FYI on that. The recall is N242435631-01, and I was notified about this because my dealership actually sent out a text message. So you may get a text message from your dealer and or a letter in the mail stating that there is a recall. But the next time you go in for a service at your dealership, they should be able to pull this up and see if your vehicle qualifies, and if it does, just get it taken care of. The total time to get this done is roughly 1 hour for the technician, but it's going to vary with how busy the shop is and how your appointment is. That's why I suggest you get an appointment. Hopefully this helps out. Until next time, see ya.